Driver in a crash that killed a construction worker and hurt others was under the influence of THC. That's the active ingredient in marijuana. This is all according to Clarksville police. And this comes as lawmakers look to vote to pass medical marijuana. News Channel 5's Kelsey Gibbs talked with a cannabis supporter who says proving that someone was high during a crash could be difficult.
Tennessee lawmakers are introducing a medical marijuana bill. They did so last year where it failed, but supporters for the cause say if a bill does become law, they want lawmakers to protect the rights of medical marijuana users.
The use of cannabis does not increase your risk of crashing a vehicle.
Cecily Friday, the founder of the Tennessee Cannabis Coalition, is talking about a study from a few years ago by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration.
It's really a matter of law. It's not a matter of science about whether we make this distinction between high THC cannabis in the form of marijuana or low THC cannabis in the form of hemp.
The study found that drivers who use marijuana are at a significantly lower risk for a crash than drivers who use alcohol.
The Supreme Court in Arizona also ruled that the presence of THC in your blood is not an indication of impairment.
However, that's not the case for 31-year-old Justin Clark. Police say his truck came crashing through a Clarksville construction zone, hitting 3 workers, killing 1. Clark was charged today with vehicular homicide and related charges. Police say he had THC in his system during the time of the crash.
So the fact that this gentleman had THC in his blood doesn't necessarily mean that he was impaired. He could have consumed cannabis 30 days ago.
The Tennessee chapter of MAD, or Mothers Against Drunk Driving, sent us a statement disagreeing. State Director Phaedra Creed said, "When we see the statistics of increased fatality crashes in other states that have legalized marijuana, it does make me worry about how we as Tennesseans can keep our communities and citizens safe." In Nashville, Kelsey Gibbs, News Channel 5.